Video is increasingly expected as a content format option. On any topic, people want to choose between reading, listening, and watching. This is the new normal, and it's why video plays a growing role in pharma marketing. A major opportunity right now is to enable peer-to-peer communication. Doctors want to hear from other doctors. Video helps you do this at scale. Creating peer-to-peer videos can be very cost-effective. One day, recording 5 doctors provides a lot of materials that can be edited into multiple videos. And then you can program your content so that the right video reaches the right person at the right time. As a rule of thumb, content can be longer depending on how well an HCP knows your company or your product. Little awareness or contact calls for very short videos, just seconds. This works great for top funnel awareness building. Longer videos can be provided for HCPs that have a better understanding of your product or have a deeper relationship with your company. So sequence long and short form video content at the right moments on the customer journey and meet customer expectations for greater content format choice. That way, you help HCPs have better informed, higher value conversations when they meet your sales force.